Adaptogens, nature's chill pills. Hey everyone, let's talk about stress. It's everywhere, right? Traffic jams, deadlines, that never-ending pile of laundry. Stress is a real drag, and it can do a number on your body. But guess what? Nature has our backs. We've got these amazing things called adaptogenic herbs. They're like chill pills from Mother Earth. Adaptogens help your body deal with stress. They're like the best friend who always knows how to calm you down. And bonus, some of them can even help you lose weight. Now, I'm not saying to ditch your gym membership and eat pizza all day, but adding adaptogens to your routine can be a game changer. Let's dive in and learn more.
Stress less, weigh less. The adaptogen magic. Adaptogens are nature's little helpers, working behind the scenes to keep us balanced. Okay, so how do these adaptogens work their magic? It's fascinating how these herbs interact with our bodies. Well, it all starts with this little thing called cortisol. This hormone is crucial for our fight-or-flight response. Cortisol is a hormone that your body pumps out when you're stressed. It's like your body's natural alarm system. Think of cortisol as a fire alarm. It alerts you to danger and helps you react quickly. A little bit is a good thing. It helps you wake up in the morning and deal with challenges. It keeps you alert and ready. But too much cortisol for too long is like a constant alarm blaring in your ear. Not fun. It can be overwhelming and exhausting. Chronic stress and high cortisol can lead to weight gain, especially around your belly. This is because cortisol can increase your appetite. It can also mess with your sleep, your mood, and even your immune system. No bueno. You might find yourself getting sick more often. Here's where adaptogens swoop in like superheroes. They come to the rescue when your body is under stress. They help regulate your cortisol levels, bringing them back into a healthy balance. This means your body can relax and recover. This means less stress, better sleep, and yes, even potential weight loss. Pretty cool, huh? Adaptogens truly are magical in their ability to support our well-being.
Meet the herbal heroes, your stress-busting, fat-fighting squad. These natural wonders have been used for centuries across various cultures to promote health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the world of adaptogens, nature's answer to stress and weight management. Now for the fun part, let's meet some of these amazing adaptogens. These herbs are not just plants, they are powerful allies in our quest for a healthier, more balanced life. First up, we've got ashwagandha. This herb has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It's known for its ability to reduce anxiety and improve sleep. Some studies even suggest it can help lower cortisol levels and boost testosterone, which can be helpful for weight loss. Imagine a natural remedy that helps you unwind after a long day and supports your fitness goals at the same time. Next, we've got rhodiola, another powerhouse adaptogen. This one's great for fighting fatigue and improving mental clarity. It's like a cup of coffee without the jitters. Plus, it may help regulate cortisol and support healthy blood sugar levels, which is important for weight management. Think of it as your go-to herb for those days when you need an extra boost without the crash. And let's not forget about holy basil, schisandra, turmeric, lingsy, water hyssop, cordyceps, eleuthero, and licorice. Each of these herbs brings something unique to the table. Holy basil, for instance, is revered in traditional medicine for its ability to combat stress and promote longevity. Schisandra is known for its liver-protecting properties and energy-boosting effects. These herbal heroes each have their own unique benefits, from reducing inflammation to boosting energy levels. They're like a superhero team, working together to help you feel your best. By incorporating these adaptogens into your daily routine, you can harness the power of nature to support your health and well-being. So why not give these herbal heroes a try and see how they can transform your life?
Science says, heck yeah, proof these herbs pack a punch. Now I know what you're thinking, Dr. Oz, is this too good to be true? I hear you. But here's the thing, there's actually a lot of scientific research backing up the benefits of adaptogenic herbs. For example, one study found that ashwagandha significantly reduced stress and anxiety levels in participants. Another study showed that rhodiola improved mental performance and reduced fatigue in people who were stressed out. And there's even research suggesting that turmeric can help reduce inflammation and support weight loss. Of course, more research is always a good thing, but the studies we do have are pretty darn promising.
Adaptogens in action, easy ways to get your daily dose. Okay, so you're ready to give adaptogens a try? That's fantastic. Adaptogens can be a wonderful addition to your wellness routine, helping to balance your body's response to stress and promoting overall well-being. Awesome! Here are a few easy ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. Whether you prefer sipping a warm beverage, taking a quick capsule, or adding a boost to your meals, there's an option for everyone: teas and tinctures. Many adaptogenic herbs are available in tea form. This is a soothing and enjoyable way to get your daily dose. Just steep a teaspoon or two in hot water for a few minutes and enjoy. The warmth of the tea can be very comforting, especially on a chilly day. You can also find tinctures, which are concentrated extracts that you can add to water or juice. Tinctures are great for those who need a quick and easy way to consume adaptogens. Capsules and powders. If you're not a fan of the taste of some herbs, capsules and powders are a convenient option. They are easy to take and can be carried with you wherever you go. Just be sure to follow the dosage instructions on the label. It's important to take the right amount to get the benefits without any adverse effects. Cooking and smoothies. Some adaptogens, like turmeric, can be easily added to your cooking. This is a great way to incorporate them into your diet without changing your routine too much. You can also blend them into smoothies for a healthy and delicious boost. Smoothies are a versatile option, allowing you to mix and match different adaptogens to suit your taste and needs. Remember, it's always a good idea to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed. This helps your body adjust and ensures you get the most benefit. And if you're taking any medications or have any health concerns, be sure to talk to your doctor before adding adaptogens to your routine. Your doctor can provide personalized advice and ensure that adaptogens are safe for you to use.
Your body on adaptogens. Feeling good, inside and out. So, what can you expect when you start incorporating adaptogens into your life? Well, everyone is different, but many people report feeling calmer, more focused, and more energized. You might also notice improvements in your sleep, your mood, and your overall well-being. And remember, adaptogens can also support your weight loss goals by helping to regulate your cortisol levels and reduce stress-related cravings. It's a win-win.
Go forth and adapt. There you have it, folks. Adaptogenic herbs are like nature's gift to help us combat stress and live healthier, happier lives. So why not give them a try? You might just be surprised at how good you feel. Stay healthy and keep smiling.